bafethu nginikeze le mahala. I-GNU is a failed project. Dismally. Ngisho ukuthi uyiqhamukela kiphi enhle, uyiqhamukela ngemuva, uyiqhamukela phambili, uyiqhamukela esayidini. I-GNU is a failed project. Ayikho into i-GNU esakwazi ukuyi-achieve since from iyaqala ukusebenza ngoJune last year kuze kube yimanje. Nothing. Ukunalokho things are becoming worse. Niyalibona yini irandi lenze njani? Angithi bathi i-GNU ithathwa ngoba ku-avoidwa the doomsday coalition ababeyibiza, i-coalition ye-ANC, MK ne-EFF. Ramaphosa ke loyo wagijima ohlangana no-Helen Zille. Kunjani namhlanje makunje? Things are falling apart. ANC badayisile abantu bakethu bafowethu. Besinayo 2/3 majority clean. Engadinge nje kuphazama, engadinge ama-political parties awu-50 njengoba i-GNU nje kuthiwa 10 political parties still kwalowo 2/3 abanawo. Isho kuthiwa bawuhlanganisa lowo 2/3 lo abakwazi kwenza nix ngoba bavumelana ngokwama-policies abo. Laba bakhomba bebheke east, laba bakhomba bebheke west. Vela yikho into eradical abangakwazi ukuthi bayenze, engakwazi ukushintsha i-economy yethu. Njengamanje kudingakala ama-radical policies. Radical in approach. Awudingi lokhu uzama ukubalansisa. Things are falling apart. West ke njengoba behambe bayoyinyomfa njengoba isishiphelene ne-US, baphinde bayinyomfa ishiphelene ne-Russia. Angazi noma niyabona yini bafowethu ukuthi lana sisiyoxanda uvini ngasophuma kanjani. Lo baba ko Ramaphosa sifake kulo.
Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. ANC yamasemi. Beka into ezenzeka lapha kweparking ingane encane ziyadlala. Hayi ANC bafethu ayipolile. Into esayiphumela ngaphakathi kwa yizi izinto esazizilwisa lesi abantu babona kahle ukuthi uya counter revolutionalist. Kanti babefuna ukwenza lamasimba la. Umapitso wonke lo, ukhansela wala umapitso. Umapitso ikhansela la. Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC, vote la manyala. ANC yamasemi. Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. Ngifuna ukunibonisa it's a stop sign Mshoshwe Road. Nayo imshweshwe leye ibolile. Everywhere you go emshweshwe ibolile. It's a stop sign. It's a stop sign. But there's no road anymore. There's no road bafethu anymore. And then we are kijima wena nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. Akuna strata akuvele udoti estradini kumila ukhula. It was a tar road. It was a tar road. But inibheke nje imhlolo yenziwa yi-ANC. Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. Until when? Until when abantu kumosheka wherever la where they touch, kuyamosheka. As I'm saying, the family of Aviva Manqa, they are staying around here in Zone 12. The advisor, a minister, is staying on the very same area. But look at the area, how it looks like. Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. There's no road. People, they can't even walk on the same street. Huh? Nywe vote ANC, nywe vote ANC. That's how it is. Amatexa wasakhona ungena. They can't drive in. They can't drive through on the area.
Okay, this is Lusaka. We closed off the Higginson Highway because there's no water and they're promising us water every day, which hasn't come as yet. So we, the community of Lusaka, are now blocking the roads. We want our water. Water is life.